guys, and welcome back to my channel. So straight away I just want to get into the fact that I know I haven't posted in literally like a week, but to address that, my nan passed away and my cat is currently missing. So there's been a lot going on and I've just been taking a break. But I'm back, and don't you worry, I have something really cool that I want to show you. As you guys know, I absolutely love AliExpress. It's one of my favourite websites to go on, especially to find like bargains within like the makeup, beauty sort of category. And lately, lashes have been like a big thing, and even bigger is the LED lashes. So if you haven't seen the LED lashes, they're basically little lights that go on your lash and they change colour and they flash and they look really cool. And AliExpress had some. So I was looking and I think these are the cheapest ones I possibly found. And they were 84p. So not even a pound. Not even a pound. 84p. But I have tried them out, and unfortunately these are only one colour. They don't change colour, but they do change pattern and stuff like that. So when you get the packet, this is what you get. This was what was in my parcel. So you have this part here, 2 light strips, and then lots of cable. You also get, wherever they just went, ooh, I think I'm sitting on them, these little strips to attach them to your eyes. Obviously, like, I have already used them. And then you get little round stickers to stick the battery button thing wherever. But we're gonna show these to you and you can make your own mind up whether they look cool or not. When they're unravelled, they aren't very long. This is as long as they are. And the idea is that this part goes behind you and they somehow... Wait, do I have these the wrong way round? This way? Yeah. And then they like stick on here, and then obviously this will be sort of hidden. Do you see what I mean? Like, it goes behind your ear, behind your head. That sort of thing. Okay, that one kind of just stuck. And then, yeah, so we just have to stick these on, and then you stick the little battery wherever is really appropriate for you. This is the fiddly part though, guys. It's actually getting it stuck on. These stickers, I will admit, are not amazing. They're supposed to be double-sided stickers. And the first two, as you can see, they came out completely okay, but one of them wasn't sticky. And it's quite hard to make sure you get all of the sides, because you've got to get the clear plastic, you've got to get this, that and the other. So when you peel it off, that's what it looks like. And then you take the sticky side and you pop it on to the other side of this. So this side is what we're putting the sticky side on. I know it's very hard for you to see what I'm doing right now, but I promise it's literally just as easy as I said. So we're just taking this side and sticking it on there like so, and then you can just like follow it round, making sure it's stuck down. And then we're just going to do the same on the other one. So get your sticky pad, get your LED strip, and just stick it on. She says, like it is easy. So now both of these do have their sticky pads on, which means we should be able to stick it on my face. So what I'm going to do is, if I keep losing them, yeah, I'm going to take one of these and stick it on the back of the button, and I'm just going to show you like what's in here. So this comes apart, so you can change the battery. So the battery is on the back, and this is literally all it is. This is just the case. So this little thing here is what controls the party on your eyeballs. So now the sticker's on there, I'm going to peel that off, and I'm just going to like stick it, I don't know, somewhere where there's no hair. Okay, that's stuck. That's stuck on the back of my neck. And then I'm going to pull these round, wrong way, and make sure that they're on the right eyes. So now what we're going to do is, I'm going to try and get this up as close as possible. We're going to take that side off. So now you see the sticky side. And we're going to try and place it on the lash line, but we're going to do what we can with this. Do you know what I mean? Because it's quite heavy. It's not something light. And I'm just going to hook this behind my ear and kind of like pull it tightly. There we go. I was looking over there for the other one, but the other one's here. So round my ear, pull it kind of tight. But we're going to take the thingamajig off. Like so. And now we're going to try and fit this one on my eye too. They're heavy and they're obviously a lot thicker than what you'd normally have on your eye. So they are like, I don't know, they're kind of irritating. They feel weird. But at the same time, it's like, if you're going to go through the effort to do this, you're going to want them on. But now's the moment of truth. Can you see that? I can barely open my eyes enough to show you. So they do this one, which is just flashing. And then they do this one, which is flashing again, but it's like going across. I'm like stuck. Can't open my eyes. Eh! And then, what's this one? Okay, it says like alternating. Maybe I should try and move these up a bit, because right on the lash line is really hurting. Maybe if we put them there. Do you know what I mean? Just like in your crease. Crease lights. Hey, they kind of work. Oh, I was having particular trouble with that one. And we'll just stick that in my crease as well. So you can see that these do work. Obviously, I am having trouble with them. But they are flashy. And they do, like, do the thing that you want them to do. You know? Obviously, I picked the blue colour. But you've got to, like, figure out where works best for you. Obviously, that was, like, causing me a bit of irritation right up there. But I think they're cute in the crease. You know, you could always take them off and do a little bit of a neon mustache sort of thing. Do you know what I mean? Now, I think these are really cool. The LEDs and the fact that, like, they're so thin as well. But you can get them in a range of colours. I will link you to the one that I got. Because I think they are really cute. You just have to, like, figure out where is best to stick them. Maybe not directly on the lash line. Then obviously you've got to figure out how to hide the wires as well. But, like, maybe just a bit higher and maybe not directly in the crease. Do you see what I mean? Like, you just got to play around and figure it out. But I think they're cute. I'm definitely going to be buying some other colours. I don't know what one I want. I mean, they had red, they had purple, they had blue, they had green. I went for blue. But I just think they're quirky, they're cute. Everyone's always trying to come up with, like, new ideas. Ow. Ow. And yeah, I think they're fun. Especially for, like, 80 odd p. It's not like breaking the bank just to try it out. And you can take it apart and put the batteries in again, so that's completely reusable. The only problem is you're not going to get more than 2 stickers. So they expect you to only wear these, I guess, 2 times because it's got hair on it now. But they only give you 4 tapes. So they only are really expecting you to use this twice, which is a bit of a shame. I don't know if you can buy these separately. If you can, then that's amazing. Then it's 100% better and I'll stop talking. But if not, then yeah, these are going to lose their stickiness fairly soon. See, they're like not even sticking on anymore. I mean, you could try put eyelash glue on them. Eyelash glue might work, like, to keep them on, but that's something we're going to have to test out. They are quite bright as well. Like, obviously I'm sitting here in daylight, but they are fairly bright. If you imagine this in like a dark venue or something, then they'd do really well. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and do at least a video because obviously I've been MIA for so long. But as I said, emotional reasons, I did have to take time off. It's been hard, but I have got some really fun videos planned. Obviously, I thought these were fun, but I don't know, they are kind of heavy on the eyes and don't stick for too long. 84p wasted, maybe, maybe not. They're cute. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you want to see me test out like more little things that pop up, like trendy things lately, like I tried the lash hack last video. Obviously these were popular, I don't know, a couple of weeks back now, but when I ordered them they were trendy. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.